Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika from Mom's Niche Diary, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own ketchup. You can actually make your ketchup from home and it's so easy and so simple. I'm going to be taking you through the steps, so stay tuned and keep on watching. I'm going to be using some tomatoes, salt, brown sugar, ginger, cinnamon, water, apple cider, vinegar. You can actually use any vinegar you have. You can use any one. Garlic, onion. And on the second thought, I think I'm going to skip this cinnamon because that was what I used in the previous one I made. So let it have a different taste. I'll probably be adding cloves to it. I'm going to show you when I'm adding that. So let's get to the boiling, okay? Our tomato has been boiling for some time now. Can you see it? Our tomato is ready. So the next step now is actually to blend this. It's soft. But can you guess what? NEPA has taken the light. Just now that we needed to blend, the light went off. But we moved, so I'm going to put on the generator and blend this. But first of all, we have to wait for this to cool down a bit before putting it into the blender. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the remaining one. Blending. We have to blend till it's very smooth. The next step, you need to sieve it out. We actually want a very smooth paste. Now, the color of your ketchup is determined by the color of your tomatoes. You actually see some ketchup very red, while you see some ketchup will not be so red. It doesn't really matter because they all taste good. So the color of your tomato determines the color of your ketchup. So now I'm trying to sieve this out. I don't know if you can really see this. This is the tomato and I'm sieving it out. So I'm going to do that for the rest of this. And then I'll show you what next. Once you sieve this out, you're going to put it back on the gas. So you have to cook it again. So just keep watching. Don't go anywhere. And at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, it's free and it goes a long way to help my channel. Please click on the subscribe button and join the family. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you. So like this video if you're enjoying it so far. So can you see why it's good to sieve it? It's always good to sieve it out. So I'm going to use this chaff, this remaining one here, while cooking pasta or jollof rice. No waste zone here, okay? So I'm not going to throw this away. Just going to keep it aside. And this is what we got from it. Can you see? Our ketchup is almost ready. Keep on watching and please don't forget to like this video. Now we're going over to the next step, which is to cook this again for some minutes. Let's add in the sugar, apple cider, vinegar, and some salt. I'm going to taste this. Now at this point, if you want it spicy, you can actually add some pepper. You know, when you buy some ketchup, you notice that they are spicy. They added pepper to it. So you can actually add some pepper to this if you want your all-purpose seasoning and every other thing. Spice it just the way you want it, okay? That's why it's homemade ketchup. So let's allow this cook for some minutes and I'm going to show you what the final product looks like. We need to allow it to boil out together, let it simmer together and get thickened. Our ketchup is ready. You actually do not want it to be too thick, so we're going to turn this off because once it cools down, it's also going to thicken up a bit. So can you see this? Ketchup is ready. This tastes so good. So good. The combination of the garlic, the ginger, the cloves. This is so good. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this out, okay? So this is the final outcome, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Our ketchup is ready. Now you can enjoy this with your chips, with your crispy chicken, with your sweet potatoes, your fried or grilled sweet potatoes, with anything you like, okay? So let me know if you're going to be making this ketchup in the comment section. And all you need to do now is turn this into an airtight container. I'm going to be pouring this into a ketchup container and store it in the fridge, okay, in your refrigerator, and that's all. And it's going to stay for up to a month. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you again in my next video.